So here we have the Vauxhall Crossland X on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre, at the top, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. And beneath that, the main trip computer, which includes the total mass of this car. They're 8,744. You can change the information that's displayed in that central section, should you wish to do so, using controls on the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo and phone controls. We have cruise control and speed limiter as well. You'll only be able to use the phone controls once you pair the phone to the car, which is done over on the touchscreen in the center here. Hit the home button to take you back to the main menu. And then search for a device from there, which we're not going to do at the moment, of course. When it comes to audio in this car, we have got, as you can see, AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls once you paired your phone. You can project by connecting your smartphone up certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen as well, and you can have your climate control settings shown there, as well as just below that where you have the physical controls for them. So down here, it's dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger temperature and the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again, or hit auto. The car, as you can hear, will take control of the fan speed for you to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. You can override that manually whenever you wish to. We can also recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you've set over there. Beneath that, we have this storage which closes over. Inside there, we've got, I say, plenty of storage, a 12-volt charging socket and USB input. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and these buttons here. So you can put the child locks on, you can turn the parking sensors off, you can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off. We can turn the lane departure warning system on and off. We can turn off down here, so that one needs a long press to turn it on and off, incidentally. Down here, you can turn or you can reset the tyre deflation warning system, and you can turn off the traction control for the car as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.